In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly bulk edit properties in HubSpot, a crucial skill that can save you both time and reduce repetitive tasks. The process is straightforward once you understand the basics, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the trial guide within your HubSpot account. If you haven't already logged into your HubSpot dashboard, take a moment to do so. Once logged in, go ahead and open the trial guide. The trial guide is a fantastic place for hands-on learning and experimentation with various HubSpot features, making it an ideal starting point for our task today. Next, you'll want to locate the Companies section. Click on Companies to proceed. This is your central hub where all business entities or clients you're managing within HubSpot are listed. It's like the address book for your professional network. You're going to appreciate the streamlined way HubSpot organizes this information, placing everything at your fingertips. Now that you're in the Companies section, you need to highlight the specific items or entries you wish to edit. In HubSpot, this is a simple process, but pay close attention here. Highlighting is crucial because it determines which entries are selected for editing. It's easy to miss this step if you're new to bulk editing. So click to select the items you want. You can click each individually or use the option to select many at once if they are grouped together. This ability to highlight multiple entries saves you from having to alter each one individually, an absolute time saver. Once you've highlighted your chosen items, the next thing you'll do is click on Edit. The careful selection you did earlier now allows you to make changes across multiple entries simultaneously. Clicking Edit will open up the Bulk Edit feature. This feature is a great example of HubSpot's ability to streamline workflows, providing a single point of interaction to make your necessary updates. With everything set up, you can now proceed to make the specific changes you have in mind. Perhaps you're updating contact information, aligning company data, or any number of properties HubSpot tracks. As you make your edits, HubSpot ensures that these changes are uniformly applied across all the selected entries, maintaining consistency and accuracy. And that's it. By following these steps, you've efficiently edited multiple entries in your HubSpot account. This powerful technique for bulk editing will not only enhance your productivity, but also ensure that your time spent in HubSpot is as effective as possible. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself further with HubSpot's robust editing tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.